Hi, welcome to Blighted Fix. In this video, I will share with you on how to save view one's photo or video on WhatsApp. Now, the first thing you have to do is to open your WhatsApp, and before that, make sure you have a screen recorder, or you can use the phone inbuilt screen recorder. So the next thing you do is just open the recorder before you open the particular chat you want to view. So let's say I've on my recorder. Now just click on the particular chat. Now immediately you own the chat or open the chat, the recorder records every video, every clip of the video, or views the whole picture that you want to view. So when that is being done, you can now save it to your phone and go to your gallery to view the picture. So from there you can screenshot it if you want, but this will not take effect if you do not start the recording before opening the picture or video. If you do not do that, do it like that, it will not work. So guys, I believe with this you'll be able to save your viewers photo or video. If this video was helpful, please do also follow Blighted Fix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.